Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to clean your car yourself. So before I even touch the car, I get everything ready. So I've got 2 buckets. One of them is a car shampoo, and then the other one, put that in there, is just for cleaning the wheels. Some pre-wash, and then a snow foam. Don't ask what happened to that. I need a new one. So we've got that, and then I also have some sealant. I'll tell you about it later on. I use all sorts. Like I've got some auto finesse. That it's not auto finesse inside of that, but yeah, I used some auto finesse before. But I found some better stuff. I'll show you. So I use that as a pre-wash. Just prefer that. But if you've got any questions, then just comment below. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna start off with putting some pre-wash on the wheels, inside arches. Always rinse it from top to bottom. If it's either a car or a wheel, whatever you do, always rinse it from top to bottom. So as you can see, the wheel is clean now. So now when we've done the wheels, we're gonna pre-wash the whole car. So same again, you can start on top and just make sure you do it all. So again, we are rinsing it from top to bottom. You can get a pre-wash again. Open the door and just do the door shuts. Spray in there underneath the door. Just don't go too mad on it. You don't want to end up with water everywhere. Next step is the snow foam. So we get the snow foam. Yeah, so next step is the snow foam. You can leave the snow foam to dwell for a couple of minutes. And then we rinse it from top to bottom again. Same process. Next step, the most important one, is the bucket wash. Guys, it's all about the motion. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. And same again. Rinse it from top to bottom. And then what I do is I put some sealant on top of it after every wash. It's because it's just easier to dry it later on as well, because the water doesn't stick to it as much. That's the main reason, to be honest with you. It should last about 6 months, but all depends. If you're gonna wash it, let's say every month, or you're never gonna wash it, and you know what I mean? All depends on the maintenance. Like, if you're gonna put it on,
and wash it every 4 weeks, let's say, then you should be fine. It should last about 6 months. So as you can see, the water is just coming off it. That's why I just use the sealant every time, to be honest with you. And yeah, same again. I just start from the roof, windows, bonnet. Guys, so this is like a basic wash. You can even skip the snow foam bit, you know. You can just pre-wash and then bucket wash if you want. And it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. If you don't have a snow foam lance, or you've got one like me, I need a new one. You can just skip it, you can just, yeah, just pre-wash it and then just bucket. It's gonna be fine. Guys, make sure you always dry it. Even if it starts raining, you still need to dry it. I know it sounds funny, but you do. Otherwise, you're just gonna have watermarks everywhere. On a white car, you may be not gonna see it as much, but if it's gonna be a darker color, like a black or something, it's just gonna look bad. So always dry it, always. Even if it starts raining or something, just dry it. Once I've dried it all, I dry the wheels as well, the alloys. It's just in case you missed something, if there's any bit of the, you'll just take it off with the towel as well. So, but always do it at the end, yeah, never before. Yeah, that's it. So this is like a basic wash, of course. Sometimes you need to use tire glue remover and other stuff, but it is what it is. It's my wife's car, so can't be asked to do anymore. I always finish it off with a tire dresser, so it looks a bit better, nice and shiny. I use a Fireball. It's just a small bottle, but I've had it for, I don't know, ages, honestly. Ages. And it wasn't that expensive. You only need a tiny bit on a sponge and just work around it. Guys, so first of all, we need to take all the rubbish out, and then we're gonna hoover it out. So we take them out and just hoover everything. We're gonna do it twice, because what I do, I hoover it first, then I clean all plastics, and then I hoover it again, just in case, because you're always gonna get some bits here and there. Guys, so what I do next, I get a cloth, a little brush and a all-purpose cleaner, and I just go over all the plastics inside. As you can see, mainly here, how dirty it is. So I use one of them. It's a wax spot wash. Is it good? It's not bad. It does the job, but you don't even need one. If you've got a wet and vacuum hoover, you can just get on different end for a hoover and just spray it. Cause I don't even use that brush. I use one of them. I'll show you. What I do is, of course, I spray it so it's nice and wet. And then I just use one of them and go over it. And once you went over it, you need to make sure to vacuum all the water out. So as you can see, it's soaking it in. Best way is to go over the same place a few times. Also, a small tip, if it's not raining, just make sure to leave windows open for like a few hours. So it's definitely drying then. So as you can see, it all came off nicely. So once I've cleaned all the plastics, I just go over the glass now. So I use 2 cloths. That one is made for glass, that's what they say, but it's just a cloth. So yeah, so I use that one first, and then I just use a dry one to go over again. So once you've cleaned all the glass, you just hover it out again one last time. And that's it, guys. The car's done. It's all nice and clean. As I said, it's only a basic wash. You can always go in more detail, like tire and glue remover, clay bar, wax, whatever you want, even polish it or ceramic coat it, whatever else. If you've got any questions, just comment down below and I will answer every single comment, every single question, and yeah, like and subscribe.